Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix slow Wi-Fi signal or just slow Wi-Fi in general on your PC in 2025, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and enter your search bar, type in terminal or command prompt, either or. Now from here what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type in this command ipconfig/flush DNS, and this kind of like restarts your DNS, it like flushes your DNS resolver cache. And once that's done, you can go ahead and X out of your terminal. Now the second thing you guys can do is go over to your search bar and type in network reset in the search bar until this comes up in settings. And basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just reset your network. Now once this is done, your PC will be restarted, so that's something to keep in mind, and that should also help fix the issue. Another thing you guys can do is by restarting your Wi-Fi router. So go over to wherever your Wi-Fi router is. If you don't have an Ethernet cable, this is obviously if you don't have an Ethernet cable, but if you don't have an Ethernet cable and you're using like the wireless connection, just go over to your Wi-Fi router, unplug the power cord for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug it back in. And then once that's done, that should basically restart your Wi-Fi router, and that will also help fix the issue. And I highly recommend restarting your PC after doing that as well, or at least disconnecting and then reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.